Hey guys, I'm here today with a fresh review of the Santa Medical Electronic Pulse Massager. This is a TENS device, that's T-E-N-S, that stands for Transcutaneous Electronic Nerve Stimulation. What this does is it applies a current to the skin that goes through the skin, that's the transcutaneous part, to fire the nerve endings under the skin to bring about some modest pain relief. And if you crank the current up a bit, it actually gives you a bit of a massaging action. So out of the box, it comes with the main controller unit. Mine's a little scuffed up. Like I said, I've been using it for years. It comes with two settings on the side for the different intensity, different modes depending where you're applying it, different speeds, massage, knead or beat, different modes for applying that current. And it comes with some electrodes that have a sticky gel on the back, and you simply apply these to your skin and they stick there, and then you attach the electrodes and then you would plug that into the device. And there are two of these. Each one of these cords has two pads that it can support, so you get 4 contact points. And I really like this guy. It's easy to use, it's comfortable, and I highly recommend it. So my bottom line is I've been using this exact device for about 3 or 4 years now. I bought it with my own money. I mostly apply it to the base of my neck or shoulders from overtraining or extensive kayak workouts or ultra-marathon paddles. Sometimes I'll apply it around my left knee, oftentimes on my lower back, and it definitely gives you sort of a pulsing massage. It relieves pain, and I find it to be a very good therapeutically, so I would highly recommend it. You know what to do. Like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, and click on the link below if you have an interest in purchasing this. It won't cost you anything extra to buy this from Amazon, but clicking through to the link will give me a few pennies on the dollar in exchange for helping spread the word about this device.